Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
Whoa, this 40.000-pound log truck just flipped like a pancake on a downhill curve, one bad turn. And gravity wins the fight. Stuck deep in mud? No, not today. Komatsu D85. With 264 horses, yanks that 33.000-pound truck out like it's pulling a tube. That's not a tractor. That's a mountain goat with 850 Nm torque. Watch it drag a 60-foot log up that slippery hill like it's Sunday stroll. Three logs, 16 feet long, gone in 20 seconds? Volvo L70H doesn't just lift. It gobbles up 13.000 pounds like it's snack time. Just look at that crane, 30-foot reach, and it grabs 20-foot logs like toothpicks. Zero drama, full swagger, like a lumberyard ninja.
Shift a bit, Eric.
Blink and you'll miss it. This Wolf Ridge splitter crushes a 14-inch log with 42 tons of force, like it's snapping a breadstick. Oh man, that 22 kilowatts beast just split a 20-inch log like slicing warm butter. GETALL doesn't cut, it humiliates wood. This posh splitter slices a 16-inch round log every 5 seconds, like a lumberyard sushi chef on energy drinks. No machines here, just man versus wood. With a 36-inch forged axe. He chops 12-inch firewood like he's on a mission from Zeus. This homemade splitter packs 42 tons of force and crushes a 20-inch oak log like butter. That's not DIY, that's domination. Have you ever seen pure destruction? This 80-ton splitter crushes a 24-inch log like it owes it money. Brutal, and oddly satisfying. A 30-inch log, gone in 8 seconds? With 7.2 HP. This still 661 cuts cleaner than a chef's knife. Who gave her a chainsaw? Built at home, powered by 60 tons, this splitter slices a 24-inch oak log like it's foam. Who needs a factory? Ever seen wood sliced like paper? This 20-inch Japanese handsaw glides through hardwood like it's drawing calligraphy. That's a 36-inch bandsaw chewing through an 18-foot log, smooth, steady, and scary quiet. Who needs ASMR when this exists? That's a 25 kilowatt sawmill ripping a 2-foot log like it's foam. You smell that? Yeah, that's fresh cut power. This Easton-made Ultra delivers 37 tons of force, smashing 16-inch logs like crackers. Got log rage? This is therapy. Two and a half seconds. That's all it takes for this Finnish Narva to snap a 20-inch log. Fast enough for y'all? "60 tons of splitting force meets a modest 12-inch oak log. Overkill? Maybe, but it sure gets the job done fast." Ever seen a 2-ton farm truck climb a jungle hill with a 40-foot log? No winch, no fear, just sheer madness. A soaked forest, a 2.000 pound fresh log, and the Zator Forterra says, "Let's dance." With 740 Newton meters, this beast drags like a boss. Tons of truck, stuck deep in mud, but Komatsu Wa 200 doesn't panic, it pushes, roars, and saves the day like a hero. Still breathing? Good, because if those machines didn't impress you, nothing will. Hit that like, subscribe for more madness, and tell me, which scene blew your mind the most?